what I wanted to talk about here. If you see this metal post, this tire, some concrete, and you see Lorien up there heading up into the wild mustard and then up into the poppies. This is what I wanted to share with you guys, that there's a lot of anxiety created around the damage that we've done to the natural world, but as you can see right here, nature's going nowhere. We may be going somewhere. We may be becoming extinct, or we may be creating a more adaptable human species who can live with nature. But if you can see this concrete, looks like a dwelling was once here. It's no different than the pyramids that you see down in Latin America, where there's jungles all around. And my main point is that we need to learn from nature. Nature does not need to learn from us. And what we need to learn is how we can be like these weeds, adapting to all kinds of changes in climate, changes in weather, changes in all kinds of things, but also without trying to do away with anybody else, just living with others. That's the secret harmony and balance of the natural world, living with others. And by others, I don't mean just people that are different from us. I mean plants, animals, butterflies, bees. I think one of the most exciting things for all of us is to have our own beehives and let the flowers and the pollinators guide us and instruct us. So this is my hope. The super bloom is just one example of the incredible indestructibility of the natural world. We're not indestructible. We have seen that we can destroy megafauna and megaflora, and then we become the next in the megafauna extinctions. But my hope is that we can learn. Okay, that's it for now.